Today is August 20th, and when I woke up this morning, it was 60 degrees. You know what that means? We are headed toward fall, and it's time to start thinking about beautiful fall plantings. Whether you're looking to add ornamentals that will thrive for years to come, or you need to replace some annuals that burned up in the summer sun, let's talk about why fall is the perfect time to plant, and I'll show you what's come into stock recently in my local nursery so you can plan your shopping trip. We'll also talk about deep discounts that you can get this time of year going into September. Let's dig in.
One of the most significant advantages of planting in the fall is the milder weather. As the scorching heat of summer subsides and cooler temperatures prevail, your newly planted flowers like black-eyed Susans, coneflower, and salvia will face less stress. This reduction in stress translates to less water loss through transpiration and less strain on the root systems. The result? Stronger, healthier plants that establish themselves more quickly. Fall typically brings more consistent rainfall. This steady supply of moisture benefits newly planted flowers immensely. With consistent moisture levels, your garden additions are less likely to suffer from drought stress. This moisture also helps the roots establish quickly, promoting robust growth. During the fall, the soil retains the warmth accumulated over the summer months. This warmth encourages root development even as the air temperatures begin to drop. Cooler air temperatures also slow the growth of the above-ground foliage, allowing the plant to focus more energy on root growth. This is particularly beneficial for perennial plants, including mums, as it helps them develop strong, deep root systems that will serve them well in the coming seasons. Fall's cooler temperatures often mean fewer pests and diseases lurking in your garden. Many common garden pests and diseases become less active or even die off during the fall months. This means your new plantings are less likely to encounter these threats, giving them a better chance to establish themselves without the constant battle against unwanted invaders. Fall is renowned for its stunning foliage and vibrant colors. By planting marigolds, mums, asters, and sunflowers, you can add even more brilliance to your garden during this beautiful season. These flowers will not only enhance your outdoor space, but also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies that are still active in the fall, helping your garden thrive. And don't forget about the sales. Many garden centers offer roses and other perennials like hydrangeas at steep discounts during August and then into the fall. This annual sale is a golden opportunity to add classic, elegant flowers to your garden without breaking the bank. Some of the best deals that I've gotten have come from clearance sales during the months of August, September, and October. So I hope that if you hit your garden center, you get amazing deals too.
So tell me, what are you planning to plant this fall? I would love to know. Tell me in the comments below. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.